Hey guys, welcome to Clowill Tarot. My name is Marie. I'm gonna be doing your reading. Somebody name might be eating. I'm gonna be doing your reading for today. Now the reading's not gonna resonate with everyone. If it does resonate with you, please like, share, and subscribe. Exactly, Earth. If it don't resonate with you, please do not try to make it fit. You might have a deja vu moment sometime down the line. If that does happen, please come back, comment, let me know. Trust me, I do love confirmation. Now, if you under the age of 18, please do sit. I got a potty mouth, fractured guides. Forget the last part. Don't take anything in this reading misconstrued as legal or medical advice. It is meant for entertainment purposes only. If you hear doctor, lawyer, financial planner, 911, 211, 411, use your discernment, but don't take it as legal or medical advice. Now let's... Okay. I was going to work with the same set. They said nope. And we got the new moon again. So be careful. Somebody start trying to play around with earth magic during the new moon. Some of y'all may need to go outside and hug a tree. No, I ain't joking. Hug a damn tree to get some relief. You could be seeing 1112. But we are going to be working with, because again, I was going to keep going with Kev. They said, nope, when I pull this out, somebody could be doing magic to turn people against you. They wanted these out. Slow down. Take some time. Take some you time. Get out in nature. I just said somebody need to hug a tree. Look. Facts! Somebody need to go out and hug a tree to get some relief. Look, I go past the one in the front. Hey, old girl, how you doing today, baby? Yes, thank you for everything. I go out back. Yo, what's up, tree beard? Oh, y'all look so beautiful. I'm so mad they cut you too short. They did that on purpose. Divine feminine. Hey, Empress. Because I don't do all that, you know. Emails. I keep hearing emails. I haven't gotten a chance to check emails. I check the comments because I try not to hold y'all stuff too long, because then y'all be like, what's up with that? If you sent me an email, please just do a me in the comment, and I know to go check those emails. Because I ain't rushing to go check them emails. Because they be overloaded with bullshit, too. I'm just saying. Angel Spirit, Saints, guys. What mess? Gratitude. Because whatever's happening is happening in divine timing. And there go the moon again. And it's coming out. Show gratitude for whatever you finding out now. Because that hourglass is going from night to day. Gratitude for whatever you finding out now that's coming out. Because that's air. Air is communication. About a snake. And who trying to turn people against you. A business rival. Can't stand your grind and hustle. Just saying. Remember in the beginning of this shuffle when it said, I said you might need to go outside and hug a tree. And that said go take some you time. December sitting in that bowl. You could be seeing 44. Yes, you are protected from the snake, but you still need to do your part. in order to transmute that snake on out and whatever they doing to mess with somebody's surroundings. Nah, we getting this out. What else, please? Thank you. Look, and y'all saw how that flew on the side. You still need to do your part to get it out. Oh, I'm sorry for the new people. I'm not polite. I gotta spend all 5 days a week kissing people, but even people we know be doing stuff they ain't got no business doing. So yeah, I'm not polite. When I have to do these, yeah, it's just coming out. I'm just saying. And as for readings, because now they're telling me to explain that too. The readings are recorded and sent back to you. Unless you've been one of my clients for the past 30 years, thank you. I got like that on YouTube doing a phone reading with a YouTube call, and they hacked my damn phone. So yeah, those got cut out. So if you can accept that, you know. Thank you. Your reading is recorded and sent back to you. And as long as you don't put all your confirmations in before you book a reading, I'm good with doing the reading. Please know, the moment you ask to do a reading, I'm checking that energy. Because if you were trapped, don't even expect to hear from me, because I ain't got time for that. I spent too long with my gifts. I ain't giving them up. Not willingly or otherwise. Sorry. We go through a lot. What else, please? For Taurus or whoever's got it. Somebody definitely needs to do some protection magic. Not joking. Because not only are they taking me to that gratitude, they taking me specifically to that candle. What else, please? And I keep seeing the Anubis card. And yeah. I keep seeing that Anubis card. Something is veiled and it's about to come out. Light a candle. Take a bath. Ask the good Lord to show you what is veiled. I'll get that one too. Okay. You just heard me say, ask the good Lord for what has been veiled. You also heard me say, I see that Anubis card. Yes, I acknowledge God, the Most High. You gonna see Jesus. You see Buddha. You see the most powerful hand. I acknowledge the Orishas. Absolutely, you gonna hear Oshun all day. She come up. I say. I don't deny mine. So if you still want to book a reading after hearing all of that, and you know your energies is going to be checked, please feel free. What else, please? Can I have one more? Thank you. Now I know why they want to keep this deck out. Boundaries. I said. Just because you know you protected, don't mean you don't have to do your part. You got to set up them boundaries. All that red for me, red is protection for me. I'm saying. Ain't the full moon this weekend? Tomorrow, I think. No, what's today? Tomorrow, because it's officially the 5th and it's 12:11 right now. Oh, they know I'm going to do mine. Don't worry about me, honey. They know I'm going to do mine. Niggas be busy. That's why they had me take out this deck. Envious of your career and money that you make. So much so that they are turning others against you. Oh shit, they literally showing me Drusilla. I was about to say that's that double speak card I got in my deck. They are literally showing me Drusilla. So somebody a fucking vampire. They sucking you dry. Telling y'all better get busy. Whoever I'm talking to, you better get busy because it's the full. I cannot. But they always do. Full moon, karmic path, air. Oh, let's not forget jealousy. They are turning others against you. Envious of your career and money that you make. Full moon, jealousy, karmic path, air. Air is what? Communication. They running their mouth. I just said Drusilla, double speak. That's all them lies they gonna tell on you. And wearing masks. Well, obviously, wearing masks while they doing it. Because if you're lying, you're wearing a mask. Oh, look, there go 3 masks right there. Veiled. They don't want you to see who you should be setting up your boundaries against. Who you should be drawing that line in the sand with and keeping business. Because this is work. You stick to work only. No personal communications. Oh, we family. No, the fuck you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. That's that double speak. Thank you. Y'all watching me shuffle is still at the bottom. Angels, spirits, saints, and guides. Specifically Archangel Michael. Metatron. Since we got that light up there. What's gratitude? For Taurus or whoever's got it. What's gratitude? Now I done gave y'all the date. The reading is meant for y'all when y'all find the reading. You're finding a month from now, 6 months from now, it's meant for you. I done found some readings that people posted. Well, not even found. They just like popped up in my feed. And I decided to see when they did this. And it was like a year ago. But it was my recent. That's when it's meant for you. Show gratitude for that root work. Find somebody to help you with protection spell. Thank you. I cannot. It is time for somebody. These two, seek someone to help you with protection spell. Seek someone to perform, learn to do a hex breaking ritual. I cannot. But they always do. And they showing me Anubis again. So that's death magic that they working. Somebody need to shut your ass up. The person hating on you has narcissistic behavior. You cut them off and they're still watching. So even if it's work, they still watching. And you still got to deal with them, whoever they are. You heard what I said. Okay, here's the file. Here you go. Do. Okay, here's the information you requested. And keep that shit moving. What else, Holy Spirit? Damn. Somebody used to deal with from work. Scoring love and old fling of your current recent ex-partner still feels deep pain or of rejection and betrayal. That's their motherfucking business. Let them go on about their business and just goo. X is the operative word in that sentence. And y'all know this ain't going to resonate for everybody. So, yeah, it could be a scorned co-worker. It could be a Palo Santo, smooth, spicy aroma, clears out negative energies, instills calm and relaxation, fills your home with joy and harmony. Magic. Somebody smoke, or they're using cigar or some sort of smoke in their magic. And they could be doing flame magic on you. As in putting your ass under a candle, whoever I'm talking to. The person causing you negativity is an air sign. Unexplained body welts, bruises, and scratches. So either you waking up with unexplained body welts, bruises, or scratches, or they are, because that shit is going back. But again, you need to protect yourself. And they covering up those body whelps, bruises, and scratches. Now, I don't do signs unless they come out on these cards. I even have white cards for the signs, because I don't specifically do signs unless spirits start screaming in my ear with them and they come out on these cards. And I know there's cards in here that say Taurus. Why I gotta give all these tutelages tonight? Okay. I know y'all heard that. Okay, I gotta give all these tutelages tonight. Okay. So, this is Taurus reading. Y'all just saw air sign come out. You may see Taurus come out. Please remember there's good and bad in all signs. You could be in Taurus and have another Taurus trying to fuck you up. Just saying. Veil, please. Oh, excuse me. What else with veil, please? Angel, spirit, saints, and guys. What else with veiled? What else is being veiled? Thank you. What else is being veiled? What else is being veiled, please, for Taurus or whoever's got it? They secretly keep tabs on your every move. And what is old girl doing? Covering her face. What's that unveiled? A mask. Damn, you can't make this shit up. Secretly jealous and hating on your romantic relationships. Blocked heart chakra, issues, intentions, affection, balance, beauty, compassion, empathy, healing, love, mindfulness, nurture relationships, boundaries. Because they secretly jealous. And for me, this relationship card could be any type of relationship. Work, family, actual romance. Take it how it resonates for you. Damn, I don't. I rest my case. The person causing you negativity is an earth sign. You're going to have multiple signs. Jupiter retrograde. Problems with making important life changes. For future benefits, boundaries. Expansion, abundance, and prosperity. That's what they want you to have. And are we still in a Jupiter retrograde? Because I think we almost done with it. One of them. Somebody sent a trickster spirit after your ass. Whoever I'm talking to, they sent a trickster spirit after you. Yes, they did. The trickster spirit. Sudden loss of memory. Sudden loss of memory. Things end up missing. And y'all saw where it's at. So y'all need to put in your own effort to keep yourself protected. Oh, I don't like that card. I'm leaving that one right there, honey. What else for boundaries, please? For Taurus or whoever's got it. Thank you. Get a dream catcher to hang over your bed. Part of your boundaries. So translation, they sending that trickster spirit around this time. Midnight. When you're sleeping. I know, because they tried to send one to me. And they tried to get in my dreams. They had somebody pushing a wheelchair. Only it was a dark shadow. And the close-up was the shadow. So somebody was trying to cripple, and somebody else was protecting me in the shadows. Damn, they telling. Claiming credit for your success. I said it could be your work. Hating on your image. Exercise routine. Damn, all of these shits is covered up. Someone is doing black magic juju work on you. Claiming credit for your success. I cannot. And there go that trickster spirit. It was meant to look like for somebody. This ain't for everybody's work. But in this case, they trying to make it look like your work is their work. Take that how that resonates for whoever that resonates for. Okay, I don't know why I must have an air sign in here because it takes me to the air sign and it says the person causing you negativity is an air sign. So, if you the air sign in here, you dealing with another air sign. Scoring love, please, and time. Keep a protection pouch on or with you. Shit, I got one at all times. Thank you. Envious of the same freaking card that I put back. Envious of your career and the money that you make. You cut them off and they still watching you. And it's right under this air sign. Unexplained body wells, please. Okay, and scratches. They want that stress. So somebody got scratches. And I don't mean that old daddy scratched their back type. Somebody waking up with them shits, but they ain't go to bed with them shits. Thank you. Whoever this is doing magic is their own worst enemy. Or you are, because it says you cause most of your problems or most of the bad things that happen to you yourself. And on there we have take a spiritual bath. And Jupiter retrograde is right back at the bottom. So I'm guessing we still in it. I said I didn't know if we were still in it or not. What else, please? They talk about you behind your back. And this whole set could apply either way around. So far, you got a black. You got Hispanic. You got white. You got two blacks, Hispanic, white, T. altering your values and morals on making life decisions. So you're supposed to stay stuck in your head. Get you some lavender sage. Clears away any negativity. Trust me on that one. I make bombs with them. What else, please? Gratitude and root work. Taurus or whoever's got it, because I definitely got a Libra up in here. Taurus or whoever's got it. Libra, it's your friend. Procrastinating, too busy. You better not be too busy to clean yourself up, because he ain't going to do it all. You got to put in that work. Up, burn bridges. And it's time for you to see. Lack of trust, disloyal, turn your back on them. Or they turn their back on you. Magic. Damn. Escape, denial, excuses. Oh, well, maybe it's such and such. Or maybe it's such. Double life, cheater, backstabber. But it's in reverse. Okay, and they said put it back. I guess it's coming back out. Somebody won on it now. Okay. Two-faced. Magic. They trying. Thank you. They showing me that glamour card. She's all glamour. Messaging you. Let's talk. Reunion. She's all glamour. She and or he. Take that hot. Second chance. Let's talk. They all glamour. I feel like somebody going. They all glamour. Drama, arguments, incompatible. Blocked. Moved on, nothing to say, stop calling. Put your barriers up. Even if it's work and you got to deal with them, keep it basic. Boundaries, please. Missing you, let's talk. Reunion. Boundaries. Wishful thinking, second chance, deja vu. They want to get back with you. And they're going to use that moon to try again. Sage. A group, a community. And there go Temperance right there. And you might be moving from this community because there go the Eight of Wands right there too. And y'all also know for me, the Eight of Wands is that magic. Things moving real quick. The money that somebody needs to move and you're about to see the fruits of your labor for somebody. Somebody could be 49 years old. These people cannot take your strength. Whoever I'm talking to, Taurus. Three full sets. I was about to say, I don't know why they're taking me to that 3. But I'm literally seeing 3 people in those 3 circles. 3. That stabbed you in the back. And then maybe 3 going to... And they're going to Eight of Wands again. They want to come in with them burned bridges. Nope. October 8th. Oh, shit. That's what? Next week? That's next Wednesday. Time. I don't know what that is. What is October 8th, please, Spirit? Yeah, you see the way that jumped over there? What is October 8th, please, Spirit? October 8th for Taurus, so whoever's got it. What is October 8th, please? I ain't wish Taurus no happy birthday. What's October 8th? Thank you. October 8th, somebody gonna find out some information. There's gonna be some sort of clarity about an upright person. Because I asked what's October 8th. That's the King of Swords. Something about a leader. Oh, look. The Five of Wands is in reverse. The Nine of Swords is in reverse. Let me make sure I don't have this whole... No, because that King of Swords... Exactly. Three of Swords is in the reverse. They couldn't break your heart. Six of Pentacles. Reverse. I don't like doing them like that. Y'all know it. I don't hide it. They was after your money, honey, because that 10 was right in reverse. Sorry, y'all, but y'all... Oh, they wanted to keep it a secret. That secret out. Moon in reverse. About that spell work that they did, because that High Priestess was in reverse. They had no morals, no integrity. Obviously not if they did black magic. Yeah, Page of Wands is in reverse. Yeah, they definitely did some damn magic. But then that's rolling with this deck here. Excuse me, decks. You better get off your ass because you too lazy to fix it and somebody at work is trying to say you lazy. Judgment in reverse. That's what they scared of. Nine of Pentacles. They don't want their wish fulfilled. Ace of Swords in reverse. They want your ass dead. Devil getting stepped on. You better take care of it. Six of Cups upright. That's the now. And not innocent. Okay, nope. Nope, they want that left. People don't want no more conflict because there's magic. And again, 3. See, I didn't even see that 3 on the bottom of that card. 3. I just said 3. They show me 3 people in the body of that watch. What's the... Thank you. No more conflict. It's being rejected. You cut them off and they still watching. They ain't gonna want no more of that smoke. Bailed. Taurus or whoever's here. In the upright. Bailed. Somebody don't want you to see how much, or whoever I'm talking to, you already know. How much you actually had to defend yourself against. Tower. You about to find out anyway. Because they about to have some towers. 10 of Swords. Queen of Wands. Also, you and your power. Oh, look. 3 again. Three against a star. And this could roll out anyway. You could be the apple of your man's eye. You could be the star at work. You could be an actual healer. One of God's stars. And y'all ain't never heard me say that. That just came out my ear. And y'all know what I mean by ear. And I know I said somebody could actually be moving. You might have to move to be able to heal from whatever this is. You might have to move from work. You might have to move from home. Because motherfuckers keep leaving shit trying to do magic. Longing. They longing for this magic to kick in and work. They longing for you to let them back into your space so that they can finish doing what they need to do. As in magic. Longing, please. For Taurus or whoever's got it. Longing. What's longing? Y'all, I think I am going to put these up today. Longing. Longing to know how you balancing all this shit out. Because you a damn angel. You one of his. Like I said. Balance. You keep balancing it out. I know y'all saw that flame. Boundaries. What's temperance? You keep healing from something. What's boundaries? Keeping somebody out in the cold so that you don't lose it all. Whoever I'm talking to, if you haven't already. Well, if you're still working, you obviously haven't lost it yet. Yeah, they made me give that correction. Queen of Wands, you was too powerful. Be grateful. Because you was too powerful for this magic. I'm telling you, be grateful. Because it was a heavy load. Because it was a heavy load. And they know they sent out a heavy load. Huh. They've been waiting for this for quite some time. And there was a plan behind it all. But I got news for them. I'm literally hearing Drake. And y'all know I don't like him. And it ain't because of us. Well, kinda. But I told y'all my kids wore me out with that bill a long time ago. But I'm hearing his song, God's Plan. Tower. Tower is that mask about to fall off. And all people's lives are coming out. All people's lives is coming out. January 7th could be relevant. That could be somebody's birthday. That could be the date that something happened. That could be the date somebody's gifts kicked in. Because that's the Ace of Cups. Oh, I just heard that's the day your cup started to fill with tears. Somebody could have got some news about something around September 16th. About a veiled partnership. 2 people, because that's the Lover's card there. You could have made a choice. You could have sat your ass down and started crying. I told y'all I used to cry and didn't know what it did. June 16th and June 16th is relevant for somebody. And May 14th is relevant for somebody. Yeah. May 14th is when God stepped up and started moving somebody forward. For somebody else, May 14th had something to do with a court date. May 14th has something to do with a court date. We about to bring out them letters. Could have been a child support case because there's a kid on the son and they taking me to the kid. And I told you the only time they do that is when it's actually pertaining to a child. Something is being exposed. Well, there's a whole lot being exposed. Ah, first, middle, or last. Damn, for real, those two? H, first, middle, or last. M, first, middle, or last. Home. I said somebody could be throwing some shit at your house. I sure did. I also said you might need to move from your house because it's too much. Be grateful because the Father about to move you. Somebody, you work from home. Because they showing me at my own damn computer. You work. Did y'all just hear that buzz? Somebody, you work from home. It's a U-turn. It's going back. Something about a deck. Deck you? Ah! Somebody wish they could deck you? Shit. Look at here, whoever I'm talking to. Please remember. He ain't say we couldn't defend ourselves. I'm just saying. I ain't advocating it. Just saying. Oh, shit, I don't give a damn. Somebody always trying to deck my ass. Oh! That's an L. First, middle, or last. Somebody could be from the past. That L could be a past relative. For somebody, that L is a past relative. Excuse me. That also comes off as 7. When that's in reverse for me, that also comes off as 7. And somebody trying to win. Your intuition is what's helping you win. You seeing, hearing, and feeling. Some cases, somebody you just feeling. It's just something you know you need to do when you need to do it. Urgent. You. Something you just need. You know you need to do when you need to do it. E. First, middle, or last. And it's an emergency. Because they don't want that fucking tower. Because if they get that tower. Something about a mule? There's something about a mule. Oh, come on. Something about a drug mule. P. First, middle, or last. Pew. D. First, middle, and last. Oh, shit. They just turned that into heavy magic. M. Again. Yeah, that's N. Minnesota? I'm going to close this out so I can go do my own cleanup. Because, man, listen. Somebody leapt into action. I bet they did. Z, first, middle, or last. Z upside down. Again with the UE and the Z. Somebody needed to put something to sleep. Somebody needs you to sleep. Permanently. J, first, middle, or last. Jed could be relevant for somebody. PJ. UE. So for somebody, that's work. Mel. Okay, this one is going to be specific. Mel knew. So somebody deal with Mel. Mel knew what was going on. MM. So at least 2 men are involved. At least 2 men are involved. LJ could be relevant for somebody. Yeah, somebody saying, please don't let this magic hit me. Yeah, I definitely want an outcome for this. Which one do we want for outcome? Oh, excuse me. Now, Emotep. Hold on, y'all know I gotta get the book for this one. Angel, spirit, saints, guides. What is okay. Air spirit. Communicate. MSET. Somebody's connected to MSET. Horus. Sacred Union. Hang on. I gotta get the book for this one. I really don't want to get the book. I don't even know where the book at. Sacred Shaman. Sacred Heart. Dang. Hold on. Oh, so close. All right, y'all. M-set. Abundance. If you cease to worry and meditate more, you will achieve financial success. For love. Past negative influences are blocking a loving partner. Let go of the past to succeed in a current relationship. And that relationship could be, you know, for me. Your future success depends on your ability to quiet your mind before making decisions. Your future is open to change still. Hold on, we're going to do Horus too. See my solar bark that carries me to my wife, Hathor. So we have many spiritual and sacred marriages. This was a union made in heaven. And we wish you to have this union of body and spirit also. Communicate. The meaning. Finances improve if you devote time to the study of healing, hypnosis, and alchemy. Ashe, thank you. Or seek it as a treatment. Look for a spiritual advisor. Work or career. Seek to study first or again to find a suitable career. Promotion is possible. Yeah, if you get these... Ooh, hello. Ooh, if you get these people off your behind throwing this for juju, and make sure you show that gratitude, because there's 2 men involved. There's men involved. You got 3. That's a rich man's watch. Just saying. That's a rich man's watch. I'm just saying. I'm going to leave this one right here. Get to cleaning, people. Get to cleaning. Set your boundaries. If it's work, if it's people you know at work, like I said, you send them the info that they need and you keep it moving. No need to have friends at work. Seriously. Who can it be now? Bum, 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 bum. Who can it be now? That's what's playing in my ear. And I know that's men at work. Stay happy, stay humble, stay blessed.